Today we're looking at folding tables. They come in 2 depths and 3 lengths. You can get them in 24 inches deep, which would be up to here, or 30, which would be up to here, and they come in 4, 5, or 6 foot lengths. Got some part numbers here. TFD 304 would be 4 feet by 30 inches. You add a U to the end of the part number if you want it to include the upper shelf. TFD 305 would be 5 feet by 30 inches. TFD 306 would be 6 feet by 30 inches. And then for the 24-inch depth tables, TFD 244 would be 4 feet by 24. TFD 245 would be 5 feet by 24. And TFD 246 would be 6 feet by 24. Again, for any of these, just add the U to the end of the part number to include the upper shelf. And we have a stack dryer here so you can get a reference on the size.